What if I told you that the difference between a 4% return and a 10% return could cost you over $140,000? Sounds crazy? Let's break it down in a way that'll change how you think about investing forever. Meet Jake and Mike. They are both 25, both live in Austin, Texas, and both decide to start investing. Each of them puts in $10,000, same day, same amount. But here's the catch. Jake chooses a safe fixed income fund with a 4% annual return. Mike chooses a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, expecting a 10% annual return. So who wins? Let's fast forward through time. After 10 years, Jake's $10,000 grows to about $14,800. Mike's $10,000 becomes nearly $26,000. Big difference already. But that's just the beginning. Now let's go 30 years into the future. They are both 55 years old. Jake's investment has grown to around $32,400. Mike's. It's now worth over $174,000. One decision. A $10,000 difference turned into over $140,000 difference. That's the power of compounding, earning returns on top of your returns. Here's a quick trick. Want to know how long it takes your money to double? Use the rule of 72. At 4%, money doubles every 18 years. At 10%, money doubles every 7.2 years. More doublings equals more wealth. This is why a 10% return is not just slightly better, it's exponentially better. So why do most people still go for low returns? Because 4% feels safe. It feels guaranteed. But over decades, playing it safe becomes risky. You're losing out on time, growth, and financial freedom. Jake thought he was being cautious. But Mike understood this: the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Investing in the stock market has its ups and downs, sure. But historically, over 30-year periods, it has always gone up. Let's look at the numbers one last time. Investor. Return rate. Value after 30 years. Jake. 4%. $32,400. Mike. 10%. $174,494. Same $10,000 investment. Mike ends up with over 5x more. So, what kind of investor are you going to be? The one who plays it safe and stays stuck, or the one who plays it smart and builds real wealth? Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more financial wisdom that schools never teach. And remember, start early. Think long term. Let compounding work its magic.